This video is inspired by Cameron the Combat Guy 2K2.
Good morning, class. Today we're doing another math exam. Dora.
Can I please go to the bathroom?
Yes, and please be quick.
Okay. Okay, I'm out. Now what was I going to do again? I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. There it is, over there.
Oh no, it's the fire alarm. We gotta get out of here. Wait, where is Dora? About time. Wait a minute. Dora, did you pull the fire alarm?
Oh, no.
Then why is the switch pulled down?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, let's get out of here.
There is no fire in the school building. Maybe someone must have been pulled it.
Well, I guess we should call the cops to check out there is any fingerprints.
Good idea.
When the police arrived. Hello there. I got a call that someone pulled the fire alarm.
Yes. Come with me. There's the one.
Okay, I will check the fingerprints, and I'll get all the students in line so I can match the fingerprints together.
All right.
When the students are all lined up. You are first. Place your hand here.
Okay.
You're good. You can go back to class.
Thank you.
Place your hand here.
Okay.
You're good. You can go back to class.
Thank you.
Place your hand here. Fart again, then I'm gonna assume you did it.
All right.
Go back to class. You're good.
Can I go home early?
You can go. Place your hand here.
I think I know who did it.
Don't tell me. I'll find out. Now place your hand here. You can go back to class now.
Thank you.
Sit right here.
I have to go use the bathroom.
I'll make it quick, I promise.
My mother's gonna pick me up. So, see you later.
Just sit down. Wait, now you're acting suspicious. Did you pull the fire alarm?
I don't think so.
Then come here for proof. Come on, we don't got all day.
No, please.
Place your freaking hand here.
Okay.
I knew it. You did this all along.
I'm sorry.
Apology denied. That's it. You're under arrest. Officer, handcuff her.
Ma'am, turn around.
No.
Shut your crying. This is your own fault for pulling a fire alarm when Dora arrived to jail.
This is your cell. You will stay in there for 1602521412535 years. And also, we have a visitor.
Dora, how dare you pull the school fire alarm? You know pulling a fire alarm, it is a serious crime, and you can get arrested for that. That's it. You are now grounded, 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 grounded for 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 4 7 4 7 4 7 4 9 8 9 8 8 8 8 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 group of twos years. Enjoy your stay.
Why?
Press start.